Alright, so good day guys and welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add a WhatsApp business number on your Facebook page. Okay, so here is the essence why we're actually making use of a WhatsApp business number instead of a WhatsApp official number. Okay, Facebook actually recommend you add up your WhatsApp business number and use it to run your ads. Cases where maybe when someone gets to see your ad online, they can easily do what? Click on the WhatsApp button and it will just redirect them to your WhatsApp business. Okay, you all know that WhatsApp business is more robust and vast in features and abilities. Okay, so that's why Facebook actually recommend you add your WhatsApp business number instead of your official WhatsApp number. Okay, if you try adding your official WhatsApp number, it can actually process, but you can't use it to run ads. Facebook will still recommend you go with a WhatsApp business number. Okay, so make sure what you're adding to your page is your WhatsApp business number. So now for the essence of this video, we're actually going to be making use of the Facebook main application. Remember the last time we used the Facebook Lite application to create our page. Okay, so now we're actually going to make use of the Facebook main application to add WhatsApp to our Facebook page. So this is the Facebook main application here. Once you get to open it, this is my own official profile. You come here, click on this my profile icon here. So once you get to click on it, click on this see profiles. So once you click on that, you can see the list of pages I have currently. So this is a page I created initially. Okay, so it's going to switch automatically. As you can see, it's being switched to a page profile. Okay, so once that is being done, I have to click on the profile icon of the page. So having clicked on that, I scroll down, click on professional dashboards. Okay, once I have come to this professional dashboard part, then I have to scroll down. When I scroll down, I then click on linked accounts. Okay, so this is for cases where you want to link either your Instagram handle or your WhatsApp business number. So for the essence of this video, remember that what I'm actually linking here is my WhatsApp business number. So if you want to link your WhatsApp business, what you just have to do is what? You click on this WhatsApp button here, input your phone number. So this one is my WhatsApp business phone number. Okay, so just input your WhatsApp business phone number by removing the first zero or whatever. So once you get to do that, okay, click on send code to WhatsApp. So WhatsApp are going to send you a code as a private message that's on your WhatsApp business. Okay, so once they get to send you that code, use that code to authenticate this process. So once this process is being authenticated, this thing is actually going to go on successfully. Okay, so I hope you guys get to enjoy this video. So if you have any thoughts, comments, drop it down. If you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe to the channel so you do not miss future content like this. Thank you and see you in the next video.